My lashes are thriving. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a no makeup look in 15 minutes or less. It's really hot where I live. I live in Florida and it's been super duper hot, and I do not want to wear a full face with foundation and concealer and powder and highlighter. I'm just not in the mood for that, y'all. It's too hot for that. So I have found a cute little no makeup look that I like to do that, you know, keeps me nice and cute during the hotter weather. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. And so before we get started, I would like to give a thank you to Merit for sponsoring today's video. If you guys do not know who Merit is a clean, minimalistic beauty brand that believes in cruelty-free makeup, and they sent me over some goodies to use in today's video. And y'all, look at this cute makeup bag. How adorable is this? The main thing I want to talk about today are their new shades, Slick Shades, that launch on August 24th. So Merit has beautiful lip oils. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful, and they just came out with some new shades. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of those shades in today's video. I'm going to be incorporating them into my no makeup look. So let's get started. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. So I'm gonna go in with Merit's the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I am in the shade Chestnut. So I'm just gonna put that right under my eye, because I'm not using foundation today. So I'm just gonna put that complexion stick right under my eyes. Right here above my lip. Y'all know I have a mustache, so I have to cover up my mustache. I'm gonna put it down here on my chin. I'm gonna put it on the lower parts of my face because my face is two-tone. So I wanna make sure that I blend everything out. You guys, this stick is so smooth. It is like gliding on my face. What I love about this complexion stick is that you can use it for numerous things. You can use it for foundation, you can use it for concealer, you can use it as a contour, you can use it as a color corrector, you can use it for so many different things. So now I'm just going to put some setting spray on and then go in with Merit's brush number 1. This is the blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend all of that out. I really like this brush. As you guys can see, it is getting the job done. Now I'm just gonna go in with my usual blending brush just to make sure everything is really blended in. Because like I mentioned, this is a no makeup look. So I have to make sure everything is blended so that we don't see any patches, any creases, none of that. We have to make sure we are blended, baby. So now I'm gonna go in with the 1980 Brow Pomade, and you guys, this is a volumizing pomade, and it is meant to give your brows that blown out fluffy look. Y'all know I like my eyebrows to be fluffy. I do not like my eyebrows to be like super duper structured. I like them to be a little blown out, a little bit fluffy, and this is the perfect product to do that. It gives you those fluffy brows, honey. Fluffy brows. I love it. Do y'all see how it just like blowed my brows out? Amazing. So now I'm just gonna set everything down, and I'm gonna use Merit's blending brush to do so. And I'm just going to press the powder into my skin. So now that my face is powdered down, I'm going to set it again with that setting spray. And I am just going to let this dry. Now that that's all dried down, I'm gonna apply Merit's Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. Y'all, Merit's packaging is just absolutely beautiful. I am in love with their packaging. It is so clean. It is so elegant and it just looked very upscale and I love it. I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I will not be wearing falsies today. On days like today where I'm doing like a very minimalistic look with very, very minimal makeup, I usually don't wear falsies. I only do mascara. Do y'all see how this mascara has helped my lashes just like live to their full potential? I love it. My lashes are thriving thanks to this mascara. The lashes are done. They look so pretty. I love my lashes. So whenever I'm able to wear just my natural lash with some mascara, baby, that's what I'm doing because I love that. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush and I'm just going to slightly, very, very lightly add the blush to the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. Y'all know I like to put blush on my nose. Just a little bit so that I have kind of like a little flushed look. And then I'm gonna blend that out and just be flushed a little bit in the face, but not too much. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Just gonna put a little bit from that brush back on my nose. So now I'm just gonna go in to line my lips, to prep my lips for the lip oil that I'm gonna be using today. So I have 3 of Merit's new shade Slick Shades, and the shade that I think I'm gonna use today, I might mix 2 of them, but right now I think I'm gonna use Taupe. So I'm gonna put that on my lips. It's definitely giving me that natural brown that I was hoping for. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Definitely gives me that I'm just wearing lip gloss look. Although the lip oil that I just used is tinted, but it gives, this is my natural lip color. I'm just wearing lip gloss. So now I'm just gonna finish off this look with a little bit of highlighter. And I mean a little bit, like just a dab of highlighter. Voila, this is the look. So this is my very natural, everyday, minimalistic makeup look that I do in 15 minutes or less. And I use, for the most part, all Merit products. I use the Merit Brow Pomade. I use their complexion stick. I use their new shade Slick Lip Oil in the new colors that launch on August 24th. I use their Volumizing Mascara, and I use their blending brush to help blend everything out. And I think that the blending brush is really good. I like that. My favorite product is definitely this beautiful lip color that I'm wearing. As I mentioned, it is one of the colors from their new shade Slick Shades that launch on August 24th. You guys make sure you check my description box for the link to shop all of the products that I just showed you guys today. And it is an affiliate link. So what that means is I will make a small commission from any products that are purchased using that link. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to shop Merit. Use my link down below in the description box to pick some products out. Be sure to get their new shade Slick Shades that launch on 8/24. You guys, I love this look. This is definitely my new everyday go-to look, and it's healthy, clean makeup. So make sure you guys check them out. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.